Hi, this video will show you how to create a question inside Google Classroom. So first make sure you are logged into your Google Classroom interface and then click on the classroom that you want to create a question for. And then come over here to the plus sign and go up to Create Question and type in your question. So for my question for graduation speeches, I'm going to ask, what makes a great speech? The question mark. If there were any further instructions that you would want the students to know about, you could type them there. You can put in the due date, what the day and time, what time of day and when it is due by clicking there. What type of a question is it? Is it a short answer question or is it a multiple choice question? And then students can reply to each other. Do you want them to see each other's responses and then be able to reply to their answers? If not, turn it off. It defaults to being on. And then will you allow students to edit their answer once they've typed it? Can they go back in if they've changed their mind and edit their answer? So purple means on. Yes, they can do that. When it's gray or gray and white, it means they cannot do that. So I'm going to leave it on. If there are any resources that are tied to this question that would help students answer the question or that they need to access so that they can learn more about the background on the question, you would add them here. And then right here is where you would click down and you could assign this question to multiple classes at one time. And then over here, you would click the ask when you're all ready to go. Now, the new feature is if you're doing one class at a time, you can click on the down arrow and click schedule. And this would, you would be able to pretty much schedule when the question would post in that particular class's Google Classroom. So you could select the day and then you could select the time, okay? And it must be scheduled before the due date, obviously. So let me go back to here and then maybe I want to schedule that for 10 p.m. in the evening, and then I would click schedule and it would appear in the post on that day and that time. You'll notice it does not appear now because it has not reached that time. That would appear tonight at 10 p.m. and you would get an email notification saying that your post went live as well. So if you have any questions about posting a question, let me know.